D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer. Welcome back, D&D Sports fans, to another exciting week of what's new in the RC shop. Starting off a little light this week. It's Monday. We got one box in. I already broke the tape off. Let's see what we got in there. We got a red rustler and maybe some parts. So I'll pull them all out and check it out. Alright, there wasn't a lot in this order, but we did get some new product in. These are the shock caps for your Unlimited Desert Racer with the licensed Fox logo on them. Also got a Chevy Blazer push bar for your TRX4 and a couple bumpers. That is it for today. We'll have more coming in on Wednesday. Okay, D&D Sports fans, today we got 3 boxes in. There's 2 on the table, and there's actually one sitting right over here. All that is the backer board for the rest of the pegboard. So I needed a few more sheets to go all the way down the wall, and if you look, it's about a foot short. So I'm going to cut it and then put a piece in there also. So that's what that box is there. Not even going to open it up, but these 2 here on the table, we'll start with the small one. And it looks like it's all going to be parts. We'll pull them out and set them up here in a minute. And the big box looks like it might be full of these packaging peanuts. I see a rustler in there. And a TRX4 Sport. Let me pull those out so you can see them. Alright, everything's out of the box. We got a red Rustler 4x4. We got a blue TRX4. This is a aluminum part for a Rustler 4x4. We got some other... that is a UDR part, but these here are light kits for the Mercedes. I ended up getting 4 different light kits, but I only have 1 Mercedes in stock. So it looks like I'm going to have to order some more Mercedes to go up with the light kits. I got a Easy Peak Plus charger, some batteries, and some other parts here. Just to restock what sold this week in the store. Alright guys, there'll be one more order coming on Thursday, I do believe, and then that'll be it for the week. Last order for the week, guys. Today's Thursday. We got 2 boxes in. Let's open this up here. It looks like we got maybe a 1/16 scale E-Revo in and one of the Traxxas Ford Raptors. Let's pull those out and check them out. And that's all that was in the box, guys. We had the green E-Revo 1/16 scale and the Fox edition of the Ford Raptor. We got one small box here, which I'm going to assume is just parts. Parts. And more parts. So let's go through those and see what we got. Alright guys, so here's the list of the parts we got. We got that banner. I'm not sure. It must be a sticky back, maybe for a window cling, something like that. We had gotten rid of the 2 toolkits we already got in last week. Those are gone already. Here are the Mercedes-Benz parts. So there's the exhaust for the Mercedes-Benz. We also got the rock sliders. And back here we got the steel skid plates. And I think the 8820 is the front and rear bumper for the Mercedes-Benz. And we just got some restock on some other parts. The 7710, we had already sold both sets of those. Those are the reinforcements for the E-Revos. Got a long arm lift kit. A customer needed a replacement XL5. And we got the AC-DC converter back in stock. Alright guys, well that is everything for this week. Remember, comment on this video so you'll get registered for the RTR that we're giving away on August 30th. As always, thanks for watching. click that button so you get notified anytime we release new videos. And also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel.